Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Volvo XC90 key fob. It's super simple and only takes a few minutes. You don't need any special tools, just a small flathead screwdriver or even a butter knife, and one CR2032 battery. That's the flat, coin-shaped kind. Let's get started. Step 1. Hold your key fob with the buttons facing up. That means you should be able to see the lock and unlock buttons. Step 2. Turn the key fob over. On the back, you'll see a small black switch. Slide this switch to the side and pull out the small metal key. This is your backup key. Step 3. Now, look at the spot where the key just came out. You'll notice a small gap. Take your screwdriver or butter knife and gently push it into that gap. Then slowly twist the tool. The key fob will pop open. Don't worry, this is normal. Step 4. Inside, you'll see a round silver battery. That's the one we're going to replace. Use your finger or the edge of your screwdriver to carefully lift it out. Step 5. Now take your new CR2032 battery. Make sure the plus side, that's the side with the plus sign, is facing up. Place it into the same spot and press it down gently. Step 6. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Just line them up and press until you hear a click. Step 7. Slide the small metal key back into its place. And that's it. You've just changed the battery in your Volvo XC90 key fob. Before you go, press one of the buttons to make sure everything works. If the lights flash or the doors respond, you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and good luck!